Hi again. So, I'm so excited to be starting this journey, and I love doing crafts. I haven't been doing as much as I normally do because of a health issue, but I am excited to be starting this new journey with this particular type of art because it is easy on the hands and it's not as taxing. So, here it goes. With anything, we always worry about the cost and whether we have the place, the space, and all that. So today's video is about how to still feed your creative need and create something beautiful with just a few dollars. So we're going to take a look at how we can do this particular art. So I am starting into acrylic pouring. This paint, so acrylic pouring and Dutch pouring. There's a lot of information out there on YouTube and very talented artists who are doing this, and I doubt it'll be as good as they are, but it looks like so much fun. And I did try a little bit to see if it's something that I would potentially want to keep on doing, and sure enough, it is. It's like you just get drawn into what you're creating. You're pouring your heart and soul into it, and you're just letting go. It's freeing. So let me just go on to what I was going to talk about. So getting supplies, especially like if it's in the arts and stuff like that, many times if we want to be creative, I always thought that, okay, I can't start this until I get these specific supplies, the best of the best to even start. And what I am learning is that you can do acrylic pouring with just the barest minimum. And this is so exciting because then you don't have to stretch out. Let's see, I'm going to show you a few things that I got from the Dollar Tree. And this can be just your basic starter pack, just like you would have with different things, and you can add more to a kit just to start off and just have that flow, the creative, so that's feeding your creative juices, your expression, starting off with just a little bit of money. So stay tuned. Hold on. Okay, so we're going to take a look at a few things that you can get from the Dollar Tree, and that costs less than $10. You can even do it for less. The first thing you would need is, of course, your canvas. So you have this tall one. I mean, not tall one. This big one. And this is just a board, a canvas board, square, so it's just flat. You also have the option at the Dollar Tree to get this stretch canvas. And this does come in several sizes, so you can see it's stretched over some wood. So of course this is $1 from the Dollar Tree. Now we can move on to the paints. And I just chose, you can start off with your primary colors. So we have the blue, the yellow, and the red. Now I didn't find the red in the liquid, but here's a great one. This is a reddish color, so you can just start with these three, and of course when you mix them up, then you'll have an explosion of other colors. Let's see what else. Now you of course need something to stir with, so I picked up a packet of these craft sticks, and you can use these to stir your paint, to mix it. And of course you need something to mix it in, so got cups, so you can get these cups from the Dollar Tree. Let's see what else. Now I have seen a lot of artists do this, where they prop up their canvas so it doesn't get paint on the bottom and mess it up. So they have different ways, many of them have different ways of elevating it up a little bit over the surface. or over your tabletop. And many of them are using these push pins. Some of them are using the jumbo ones, but you can get this from the Dollar Tree. This is also a container. It's a magnetic box that I got from the Dollar Tree, but you don't have to. I just wanted them in here for convenience sake. So we're just going to count the push pins, not the container, unless you wanted to tack on the container. As for the canvases, you can just whichever one, but I'm just going to count as one. Then of course you need to be able to keep your surface clean. So I got like a box of this kitchen trash bags. This is just the tall size, and there's 14 in there, but the idea, I'm going to cut it in half and spread it over my table and just tape it down. Now you could get duct tape or painter's tape or even masking tape, and you can find those at the Dollar Tree, but that's not necessary. So let's see, how many things do we have? We have, if we're going to count the canvas as one, it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, the pins 4, cups 5, 6, 7, 8. So basically for $8 plus tax at the Dollar Tree, you get everything that you need to start acrylic pouring and acrylic painting. So yes, these would of course have to be mixed up, and you can just use water. You just from your tap, or if you have a filtered water, use that. Or if you have water in a bottle, use that. So this is just the basic kit to start acrylic pouring. I'm excited to get ready and to get started. And oh yeah, let me show you an example of what I have done. So I use craft paint. Now I got these from the Dollar Tree. So I got these from the Dollar Tree, and see how messy it is. I did not protect it as well as I should, but it was so much fun doing it. So you can always fix the back, cover it back up, or paint it or whatever. So I did that, and I did this. You can also get some wood, some pieces of wood, and do acrylic pours over it. You just have to protect the surfaces by priming it. So anyway, this is just the basic of what you would need. Something to cover your table, to protect your table, a working surface, so like the canvas, something to stir your paint. You have the push pins to keep your canvas elevated off the surface. Then you have your paints of choice, and of course the cups that you can use to mix, and then you get water from your faucet. So I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I hope this will encourage people to start exploring ways to do what they want to do artistically for very few dollars. Okay, bye, and I'll see you later.